Today I'm going to prepare for you a delicious keto lemon pound cake. So keep watching. I'm going to add 2 cups of almond flour. I have a sieve in here so I can at least get the lumps out of the almond flour. Here's the 2nd cup of almond flour. And I'm just gonna move this through this sieve. I'll move this almond flour through the sieve, because I don't want any lumps in my pound cake. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, soda, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna zest the lemon into the flour mixture. Try not to get any of the white in the flour and give it a kind of bitter taste. So you just really want the lemon part of the cake. And which I'm going to do after I zest the lemon, I'm going to cut it in half and squeeze the lemon juice out of it. So we have none but lemon in the pound cake here. It's going to be a delicious cake. Got most of it. Okay, I think that should do it. Nice lemon flavor in the cake. I'm pouring the lemon juice in the cake mixture. And this is what the little zester look like. It comes in handy. I'm adding 1 cup of erythritol to the cake. All right, I'm gonna put the hood on the food processor and blend everything up. I mixed up everything in the blender here. Now I'm gonna add my butter and eggs. Teaspoon of stevia. This is the one I'm using. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to add a half a stick of butter. I'm going to add plus 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I added a whole stick and 4 tablespoons of butter in this cake mixture. There. And now I'm going to add 6 eggs. Now I'm going to mix it up. Just want to make sure everything is incorporated before I pour it in the pan. Looks good. Looks so yellow. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and place it in a 350-degree oven for about 60 to 65 minutes. So I'll let you see it when it comes out. I have 4 ounces of cream cheese here. Here is the pound cake over here that I'm gonna frost. But the pound cake tastes very good without any frosting, but I went out and made some just in case you wanna make some for your lemon pound cake. I have 4 ounces of cheese, and I'm gonna add some whipping cream, heavy whipping cream to this container here. That was 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna go ahead and add some stevia. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of stevia. That's about a tablespoon. All right, and I'm gonna mix it together. 1 tablespoon of erythritol in this cream cheese frosting. Okay, and I'll mix it up again. I decided I'm gonna place it in the blender so it can blend up a lot better. Okay, I'm adding the frosting to the cake. I just made enough just for the top of the cake. It looks absolutely beautiful. Piece of the cake so you can see what it looks like. This is what the cake looks like in the inside. And I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. The cake, yeah. It's tasting very good. It's buttery, sweet, and on point. I mean, it's a delicious lemon pound cake. A lot of butter in it. Next time when I prepare this cake, which I usually do, but I didn't do this time, I'm gonna add some parchment paper under the cake because it was a little difficult to get out of the pan without the parchment paper, but it tastes delicious, looks delicious, and can't wait to eat some more of this cake. This is the low carb keto lemon pound cake. So if you like this video, like, comment, share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.